Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. As you could tell by the thumbnail, I have a Shein haul today and I'm so excited because this is my first fall haul. Up until this point, I've only bought summer clothes from Shein. I've literally never bought fall clothes, so I'm really excited. I did already open them all because I was too excited. No, not really. I wanted to try them on for you guys before filming the video, just so I can give you guys an idea of what everything looks like. And of course, this will be a try on haul, so if you've watched my videos, you know that. I'm really excited because a lot of the stuff was really good and some of the stuff was not so good that I will be returning, but they have a really great return policy. So you guys may hear banging throughout this video, and I will share with you guys what it looks like literally 10 feet from where I'm sitting right now outside of my window. It is a construction zone and it's been this way for a long time, and I honestly don't know what to do. There's literally nothing I can do. I basically can't film between the hours of 7 to like 6. And that's when like the best natural lighting is, so I have no choice and I do have to film on these days. Only day they're not here is Sunday, which I work all day on Sundays, so I really have no choice. But I hope you guys can bear with me. I'll probably end up buying a microphone at some point so that the sound quality is a little bit better and you hear me over the background noise. So let me know if you guys think that will help. But without further ado, let's get right into the haul. So the first thing is actually this that I'm wearing right now. It's a long sleeve, like, I guess it's like a cardigan, but everybody pretty much wears it as a shirt now. It's a crop top. I really love this color, like this tan color. It's kind of been what I've been gravitating towards lately, this and like mocha brown. So I really like it. However, I know I ordered a small. For some reason a medium came. I have no idea why. So it's very loose on me right here. I guess like looking at it on camera, it does kind of look weird, but in person I feel like it doesn't look that weird. So I'm probably gonna end up returning this and buying a small because I love it so much. So yeah, I'm probably gonna return this just because if this fit a little bit better, I feel like it's just gonna look more put together. It's just loose in some areas, you know what I mean? So definitely going to keep this, but in a small that I have to order. Next thing I got a lot of like basics. I needed long sleeve stuff, so I got a lot of that. So this is a long sleeve crop top, but it's a one shoulder and it's a very cool slinky type of material, very stretchy, almost like bathing suit material kind of, but not that thick, if that makes sense. I really liked how this looked. I feel like this is really nice for a night out. I don't really have many options for when I go out, like, so this with a pair of high-waisted jeans and heels I feel like is so cute. Let me know what you guys think about this one because I really liked it and I feel like I should get it in another color because I did like it so much. All right, so next up is a basic, but it's so soft and I already have all the other colors in my cart at the moment because I liked it so much. But it is a just tank crop top and it's a little bit longer than most crop tops, I feel like. So I really like that about it, and the fact that it's so stretchy, I really like that. It's very comfortable and it's so soft. So I did go look online and I only saw that they had it in like greenish color and like a dark gray, which normally I don't wear those colors, but I ended up putting them in my cart because I liked it so much. So I'm definitely gonna get that in other colors. All right, so next up is this super trendy style that's been going around. It's a long sleeve crop top where it's got a zipper in the middle and it kind of can zip into the middle, if that makes sense, and people kind of wear it as a shirt. So I like this. The material is very stiff, which is not that comfortable, and the like zipper material is very cheapy, very cheapy. And I don't really like how gold it is. I don't know if you can tell on camera that it's very gold. I don't really wear that much gold, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, and this is probably gonna go back, but I'll probably end up buying this type of style shirt in just a little bit different, like a different one on Shein because they have so many different options. So this is probably going back. Like, I wish this was the material of the tank top because this material is so soft and it would have looked so much better if it's that material because it's more like form-fitting when it's this soft and like stretchy. All right, so next up is a pair of sunglasses, and I really like how they give you like a case. I just think that's so nice of them. They don't have to include it. Their sunglasses are so cheap, but I feel like these are so trendy and I wasn't sure if I could pull them off, but I kind of like them. Tell me what you guys think. So they're like tan and they like ombre effect from like dark tan to light tan, and they've got a ton of gold detailing, which like I said, I don't really wear that much gold, but I really liked these, and I feel like in sunglasses it's fine. And I just like the shape of them. They're so like trendy right now. So yeah, I like these. Let me know what you guys think. I need to start taking care of my sunglasses. So next up is a two-piece set, and you guys, if you follow me, you know I love two-piece sets. So this one is that same material as that super soft one. It's very soft and it's ribbed. It's a long sleeve. It's mocha brown, of course, which is the color I've been loving. It's a crop top, super stretchy, very comfortable, and it comes with matching pants, you guys. I mean, it's so cute. And these actually I thought were going to be super big on me just like looking at them, but they fit pretty good. And then they're bell bottoms, which I never wear, but it looks so good together. Honestly, I'm not even lying, I have this in my cart already on Shein in a different color. So it's kind of pricey for Shein. It's like $30 I think for this set, but I am going to be returning some stuff like I said, so it's going to kind of balance out, you know what I mean? So the next thing I got is a super soft cozy cardigan, and I didn't really have like a plain cardigan. I kind of have like, I guess I do, but mine's kind of dark, and this is very light colored, and it's like that popcorn knit material. So you guys know this is always super soft. I actually wish I would have gotten this in a bigger size. I got a medium because I wanted it to be loose, but I feel like I should have went with a large because it's still kind of fitting. So if you guys want that large oversized look, make sure you like double size up. But I really like it. It's cute, it has pockets, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. All right, so next up is I had to get one of those super cute dresses that everybody's been having that like tie up on the side. So I found this one, and it's long sleeve, which like I said, I've been needing. Oh my god, it's the same color as everything. Oh my god, I didn't even realize I've only ordered brown clothes. Like, ugh, but whatever. So yeah, it kind of ties up at the side here. Now I will say that I don't like the fit. It's kind of the same as this, where like it's loose right here and the material is so stiff that it's not form-fitting, it's not tight, it doesn't hug your body. So I'm going to return this and get the same thing, but again, a different item on their website. I definitely just want one with a different material, and I feel like it would be perfect. So that's going back. So yeah, you'll be seeing another haul from me since some stuff is going back. Okay, so this is so funny. I bought this thinking it was a three-piece set, and I'll insert the photo of what the ad looked like, and I didn't read the description, which it clearly says it's a cardigan, so that was my bad. But I don't like it anyway, so I probably wouldn't even buy the set now. But they just sent me a cardigan, which they should have had it in the ad more clear, I think. But yeah, it's just this huge giant cardigan. It's totally unflattering. It's a very nice material. It's like that chenille material, so it's super soft. But no, this ain't cute. That's going back. I don't like that. All right, next up is another night out type of style that I wanted. So it's a long sleeve shirt. It's a crop top, but the cool thing is it has like this extra fabric that kind of ties around the back, and then it also has a cutout at the top, and it's gonna be hard to tell what it is by looking at it because it's black, and she's super soft again. So this material I really love. I got it in a size small, and it just fits perfect. I cannot wait to wear this out just for like a nice dinner, not like even that fancy, but I just don't have nice tops to wear to go out. All right, I actually got another nice top to go out in, and this one is very different from my normal style, so I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm gonna keep it and try to get myself to wear it. But it's basically a crop top, but it has this part that goes around your neck like a turtleneck, and then it's loose and ties at the back. And of course it's that same mocha color as everything else I've gotten. Why would I get a different color? So yeah, I really like it, and hopefully I can like be confident wearing it because it's just not something I would typically wear. But I do really like it, and I think it would take some really cute Instagram pictures in it, so you will see some. Make sure you're following my Instagram. It's Rozay, and I'll make it a promise to post it. All right, so next up are the most beautiful pants ever, and I actually got another pair that's similar, but I love these, and I wanted to go get another color, but I just looked on Shein and they only have it in like pink and blue, and that's not happening. I'm not wearing no pink pants, and the blue was like a weird blue. but it is these ribbed like legging style pants, but they're very, very tight fitting, and then at the bottom they have a slit. It's so cute. It's so different. Like, it's basic, but it's got like that different element to it that it's so cute. I can't wait for you guys I can't wait for me to wear this, and I can't wait to show you guys this one because this was a great find. And all the bottoms I got from Shein, by the way, are all size small and they fit really good, so love those. All right, so next thing I got, I don't even think I could return these, but I kind of want to. They are a set of scrunchies, and I just love like the colors that they came in. They're like creams and golds and black and brown, obviously my aesthetic, and I think they look cute, so I don't know if I'm gonna return them, but they're very cheapy feeling. Like, they feel, I don't know, they just feel cheap, but I think they're cute. Like, I don't usually wear scrunchies, but I feel like I could start if they're this cute. I'm like, I don't know, how do people wear them? Like, is that how you wear a scrunchie? I feel like I could. Yeah, so I'll probably end up keeping them and try to get out of my comfort zone by wearing these. And then on that same note, I got something else. So it's a set, and it comes with a matching mask and a scrunchie. So like, they're the same color. So I thought, like, let me try that again. So I thought, like, wearing the scrunchie, right? And then the mask. And it's cool because it comes with these ties at the side, so you can adjust how it could fit your ears, I guess. Kind of big, but I guess that's a good thing. So yeah, it just matches the little hair tie. I just thought that was cute and fun. And so it came in, I don't even know if you guys can hear me, it came in 3 different colors. So it's like this pink color, I don't even remember what the other one was because I already took it out, and then like this white color. Oh, there's 2 in here. So it's like, yeah, a white, and then a baby pink, and then a darker pink, and then I think there was 1 more color. So it's a pretty cool set, and it's so cheap. Next thing I got is more for like PJs, like around the house, but I love these so much, and they are like boxer shorts, or like basketball shorts like the guys wear, but it's obviously for women, and it has this cool, like, I don't know, dragon kind of thing on it, and I just thought these were so cute. This with like a plain black crop top, I just think is such the vibe around the house. They actually have pockets, which I didn't know they had when I purchased it, so I'm really happy about that, and you'll definitely see me lounging in these all the time. So next up are these leggings, and they're just your typical basic legging. They're gray and they're very tight fitting, but I love this extra material right here. It's like a waistband kind of, and it's really great for sucking everything in. And so I'm not gonna lie, lately I've been eating a lot, so I kind of need this, and it's just really cute. It's very flattering. It's more for like loungewear. I don't know if you could really dress this up. It's just so loungy to me, but it fit really good, which I was very surprised about. So I probably should also check if they have these in other colors, because I would definitely get it. All right, so this is what I got, and it's a purse. I just think it's so cute. It's kind of like a Louis Vuitton knockoff type purse with the like the red and brown and like the monogramming, but it's obviously not Louis Vuitton, so it's really cute. You could hold it like this, but I've been wearing it as a crossbody. It's actually like pretty good material. Like, I'm very impressed, and it comes with, as you can see, I've already used it. It comes with like this zippered pouch in the middle and some pockets on the inside, a zippered pocket and other pockets. So it's actually really useful, and it zips right here if you want to, and this is like a little clasp closure, and I just really like it. I needed like a fall purse, and I feel like this is perfect fall vibes. I totally forgot to mention these slippers that I got. I absolutely love them. I did go up a size from my normal size just because I wanted them to fit kind of comfortable and loose. But yeah, look at this material. It's so cute, so soft. All right guys, so that's the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like it and comment down below what your favorite thing that I got was. Definitely make sure you follow my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do post new videos every single Thursday and Sunday at 4 p.m. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.